Hello, welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the coin hunt. This coin hunt is a world coin hunt and I've designated it WCH 35. The first coin is a Cypriot coin. It's a 20-cent coin from 1994. It has the coat of arms and the value and the year on the side. And then on the reverse we have a portrait with the 20-cent thingy. It's a 1994 coin. The mintage is 8 million. The portrait is of a guy called Zeno of Cicyon, who was a philosopher, and he was in the years between 334 BC and 262 BC. This next coin has a compass design on this side. It is a 20 escudos coin from 1987 from Portugal. This side, as I said, is a compass design, and then on this side we have the coat of arms and the value of 20 escudos and the year of 1987. The mintage for this coin is 68,216,000. This has to be probably the smallest coin on this for this hunt. This is a 1 rappen, or rappen, sorry. That's R-A-P-P-E-N. It's from the mint. It has a mint mark for CERN. It's a 1933 coin. On this side you just have the 1 and a laurel of some description, and the mintage is 3 million. On the other side you have the Swiss cross inside a shield, which is the coat of arms. So this is a 1933 1 rappen coin. This next coin is another older coin. Get the right way up for you. It's a French coin from the French Empire. It is a 1 centime coin from 1856. It shows Napoleon III. Shows Napoleon III plus the year. It could be on the back you have the French Imperial Eagle. You have B, which I think might be the mint mark, although I'm not too sure, and you have the value of the coin. From what I've been able to decipher, I believe it could well be the Rouen mint. The mintage for this 1856 1 centime coin is 4,376,801. The next coin is from Colombia. It's a 50 pesos coin from 1987. You've got the value and the country on this side. Then on the reverse you have a pillared building. I believe it's that way up. You have a pillared building which could be the Capitelio building in Bogota. There is no mintage for this coin. Here we have a coin from Denmark. It's a 25 ore. We have a heart symbol, which is over the We have a heart symbol. We have the heart symbol on there. It's possibly a mint mark. It's 1954. On this side you have the value and the country. On this side you have a crowned monogram and an oak leaf. The mintage for this coin is 11,337,408. The next coin is the first of 2 whole coins that we have. one after the other. And this is from the Republic of France. Francais. It is a 10 centime coin from 1939. Sorry, 1935. So you have the value on that side, and then on this side has got the value, sorry, country on the other side. This side has the value and the date. On this side, above the hole with the R and F just here, whoops, let me just move that down a bit, just here is a helmet. I'm not sure whether that's supposed to be Joan of Arc helmet or it's Marianne's. Not sure on that. The second hold coin is also from France. Again, you have the helmet above the hole. You have the RF, and then you have some laurels going around the sides and joining up and overlapping at the bottom. On the reverse we have the value of 25 centime. It's from 1917 this coin, and the mintage is 535,227. Wow. Here we have two Belgian 1 franc coins. These are like some of the other Belgian 1 franc coins that we've had just recently. They're badly corroded. I'm not sure what's wrong with them. There's the material they're made out of. One of them is either, it could be 1947, or it could be 1942, or it could be 1941. The mintage for the coin from 1947 is 3,175,000. If it's 1941, it's 16 million, and if it's 1942, it's 25 million. The other coin is from 1943. It has the rampant lion and the crown, and also the 1 franc symbol on the back. And the 1943 coin has a mintage of 28 million. Next we have a 1 cent coin. This is from Malta from 1975. On this side we have the value and the laurel going around it. And on this side we have the Maltese cross with the name of the country and the year. This 1975 1 cent coin from Malta has a mintage of 1,500,000. We're going back in time again to the French Empire. This is another one of Napoleon III. It has a year of 1861. We're not sure whether it's an A, a B or a K mint. I haven't quite been able to work that out. If it's the A mint, it's 7,595,533. If it's the B mint, it is 3,011,938, and if it's a K mint, it's 2,135,748. You have Napoleon III on this side. On this side you have the Imperial French Eagle, and you have the value. Next we have Ataturk. It's a portrait. The country is Turkey. We have a 5 bin Lara from 1997. On this side we have the Ataturk portrait in the country, and then on the back we have the 5,000 lira mark. Can also be known as a 5 bin Lara, and we have a flower which is a tulip. And there's the crescent moon and star from at the top of the coin, which indicates Turkey. The mintage for this 2000 for this 500 lira coin from 1990, 5,000 lira coin, sorry, from 1997 is 63,358,000. We stay with Turkey and Ataturk on this side, and then on the reverse we have 25 kuros from 2009. The value for the mintage for this 2007 coin is 174,061,000. Next one, we have a slightly different French coin. It has a male portrait on it. It's from 1949. It's a 20 franc coin. The difference is that this one is a French Empire coin and it has Algeria on the back. So it's French Algerian coin. It has a mintage of 25,556,400. Next we have a Maltese coin. On this side we have the normal sunrise over the coast. It's a 1986 coin and we have the dolphin fish and the 10-cent valuation. The mintage for this coin is 4,188,000. And finally we have a Portuguese coin. We have on this one a two-mast ship, the year and the country on this side. That is a two-mast ship, isn't it? Yeah. Then on this side we have the coat of arms plus the value of this 2.5 escudos coin. It's from 1979. The mintage is 44,804,000. Right. Oh. That's the end of this hunt. I hope that you enjoyed it and you'll give me the thumbs up as a like, and please feel free to comment. And I'd also very much like it if you could subscribe. I'm looking to grow my channel this year, and subscriptions and likes are part of the search engine criteria that YouTube used to put you in front of people who've never seen your work before, in the hope that they will like it and eventually subscribe to your channel. So if you could help me out by subscribing and also giving a quick like to this video, if you think it's deserved it, then please do so. It remains for me to say, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can find the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you would like and want to watch. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and ta-ra now. Bye-bye. Ta-ra.